Hi, this is Mark Montross from Catamount Realty Group. Today we're here at 62 Briar Lane and Essex Junction. We're here to view this fantastic ranch home. You're absolutely going to love this place. Let's go ahead and take a look around the outside first, and then we'll head into the inside. One of the first things you're going to notice too is the beautiful landscaping that's in this property. The homeowner had done an amazing job taking care of this place, and as you see as we walk around, you're definitely going to be impressed. So when you come off to your right, you're going to see here too that you got this really large bed area here. Every week the landscapers come in, they edge it and make it look really nice. And also too, you're going to see that right now you got some blossoms going on in the front with the hedges. I refer to this as Disney grass because it really looks nice and green. Not really seeing any weeds right now, so it looks absolutely fantastic. I want to give you a little look around here as well, because right now you're kind of tucked away in this little miniature cul-de-sac, so it's great for if someone has kids or whatever, that you can play here, and it's pretty safe. But too, you look off to the side, you can see that again you've got these trees that are beautiful and gorgeous. Also too, that you can see there's more landscape along the side. Got a great little fenced-in area here as well, so it's perfect again if you have a dog and you want to let it out to roam a little bit without getting away. Definitely worth looking at. And the two, if you looked at, you get this really nice deck on the back, great for summer entertainment. But two, kind of got this lawn. You're back into some woods here, so you got some nice coverage, great for some shade in the summertime, and yet you've got the sun when you need it. So really, this is an awesome home. Can't wait for you to take a look at it. Off to the left, you can see there that you got central air for the summertime. So now that we've seen a little bit of the outside, let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. Okay, so here we have the inside of the home. When you first come in, you can see you've got this really nice mudroom area. I love the tile floor. And then if you come over, you can see to your left, we've got the kitchen. One thing too I love about this is that you've got an amazing amount of counter and cabinet space. Let's go ahead and check it all out. Another nice feature as well is that it opens up really nice into the dining room. I love too that this door here has a pocket door, so if you want the privacy, you can shut it off or leave it open for guests. Nice thing here too is that I love that you've got really a bright and cheerful space. Let's go ahead and check out where the mudroom is in the garage. This is where your washer and dryer is. And then when you come off to your right, you're going to have a half bath, which is always great for guests kind of out of the way. And then if you have a furry friend and you're looking to let them go outside, I love this too because you've got a nice little fenced-in area, great for your pooch. And then to your right, you can see that you've got extra storage space. And of course here, when you go out, you've got an amazing amount of space in the garage. Let's check this out. It's a 2-car garage. Plenty of storage space for your vehicles. And then also too, there's the stairs that go down into the basement, which makes it very convenient if you're going to store stuff. I like too here that you've got this closet here for your coat closet. As we go further, let's take a look over into the doors that go off to the back deck. Again, great way to entertain during the warmer months. Now that we've seen some of that, let's go ahead and go into the living room. And again, what I like about this, you got this really wide opening. There's pocket doors on either side. So again, if you want to close it off for privacy, you certainly can. But check this out. What an amazing amount of space. It's a huge living room. Definitely it's got lots of space. And then let's go ahead and I'll show you back from the front entry. As we go further down, let's take a look off to the right. We've got one of the bedrooms. So again, you've got plenty of space here. Again, love the natural lighting, got a big closet. And then we're going to have the second bedroom. You got a closet off to the right. And then we go into the primary bedroom. This definitely has a lot of space. Absolutely love it. Again, plenty of windows for natural lighting. Nice thing too is that you've got double closets for all your storage needs. And then it connects into the bathroom. And this is nice because you can access it from both ways. I love too that you've got the double vanity. You've got a shower behind the door, but you also have a full tub here as well. So this is great too, because actually two people could get ready at once. Now that we've seen the upstairs, let's go ahead and check out the basement. You're gonna love this too because it's got a ton of storage space down here. I love it because the previous owner had a wood shop down here. So you're gonna notice that there is plenty of lights around. So let's go ahead and take a peek. It's huge down here. If you like to store stuff, you can definitely have a field day down here. As you can see, the remnants of his workshop over here. And then you've got doors off to the left, and that'll take you back up into the garage. As you can see here as well, your furnace. And then off to your left is going to be your hot water tank. That was installed back in 2021. So again, nice. And another great feature as well is that the homeowner has done all the inspections up front, so you can purchase this home in confidence, knowing that it's been looked over by many professionals. But you know what? We're not done yet. Let's go ahead and see what else Essex has to offer. For more information about this home, give us a call today at 802-658-3210. Look forward to hearing from you.